कहते हैं स्पीक द ट्रूथ। ओके, हिंदी नहीं बोलूंगा, सिर्फ इंग्लिश बोलूंगा। बोलो, रमन स्पीक्स द ट्रूथ। मैं अकेला, आप लोग इतने सारे, आपकी आवाज मुझसे ज्यादा दमदार होनी चाहिए। रमन स्पीक्स द ट्रूथ। रमन डजंट स्पीक द ट्रूथ। Does Raman speak the truth? Why does Raman speak the truth? Why doesn't Raman speak the truth? Raman is speaking the truth. Raman isn't speaking the truth. अब देखिए, ये कन्वर्सेशन लैंग्वेज है। अगर इसे रिटन में देखा है तो रमन इज नॉट स्पीकिंग द ट्रूथ। ये कौन सा ढंग बात कर रहेगा? रमन इज नॉट स्पीकिंग द ट्रूथ। हिंदी ऐसे बोलते हो क्या? रमन सच नहीं बोल रहा है। ये क्या कर रहे हो भाई? रमन सच नहीं बोल रहा है। रमन इज स्पीकिंग द ट्रूथ। इज रमन स्पीकिंग द ट्रूथ? Why is Raman speaking the truth? Why isn't Raman speaking the truth? Raman has spoken the truth. Raman hasn't spoken the truth. Has Raman spoken the truth? Why has Raman spoken the truth? Why hasn't Raman spoken the truth? Raman has been speaking the truth since morning. Raman hasn't been speaking the truth since morning. Has Raman been speaking the truth since morning? Why has Raman been speaking the truth since morning? Why hasn't Raman been speaking the truth since morning? Present, finish, past. Raman spoke the truth. Raman didn't speak the truth. Did Raman speak the truth? Why did Raman speak the truth? Why didn't Raman speak the truth? Raman was speaking the truth. Raman wasn't speaking the truth. Was Raman speaking the truth? Why was Raman speaking the truth? Why wasn't Raman speaking the truth? Raman had spoken the truth. Raman hadn't spoken the truth. Had Raman spoken the truth? Why had Raman spoken the truth? Why hadn't Raman spoken the truth? Raman had been speaking the truth since morning. Raman hadn't been speaking the truth since morning. Had Raman been speaking the truth since morning? Why had Raman been speaking the truth since morning? Why hadn't Raman been speaking the truth since morning? Raman will speak the truth. Raman won't speak the truth. अब देखिए, वो लैंग्वेज जो रिटन वाली है वो होता रमन विल नॉट स्पीक द ट्रूथ। विल नॉट नहीं, वॉन्ट। रमन वॉन्ट स्पीक द ट्रूथ। Will Raman speak the truth? Why will Raman speak the truth? Why won't Raman speak the truth? Raman will be speaking the truth. Raman won't be speaking the truth. Raman won't be speaking the truth. Will Raman be speaking the truth? Why will Raman be speaking the truth? Why won't Raman be speaking the truth? Raman will have spoken the truth. Raman won't have spoken the truth. Will Raman have spoken the truth? Why will Raman have spoken the truth? Why won't Raman have spoken the truth? Raman will have spoken the truth. Raman won't have spoken the truth. Will Raman have spoken the truth? Why will Raman have spoken the truth? Why won't Raman have spoken the truth? Raman will have been speaking the truth since morning. Raman will have been speaking the truth since morning. Raman won't have been spoken the truth since morning. फिर से रिपीट करते हैं, Raman won't have been speaking the truth since morning. Raman won't have been speaking the truth since morning. Will have Raman been speaking the truth since morning? Why will Raman have been speaking the truth since morning? Why won't Raman have been speaking the truth since morning? कितना टाइम हुआ है? टाइम तक की मुझे बताना. फिनिश हो गए.